Okay, here we go. I placed an order a couple days ago. Put the date in the video description. And on Amazon. And I paid with gift cards. The last of my gift card balance, I had like 25 bucks left. From gift cards I received December 2022, Christmas 2022, and then my birthday this past year, 2023. Today is Wednesday, 22 November 2023. And so I received the first package on Sunday. I'll look up the date. And so I'm going to unbox them. So I placed the order on Friday, 17 November 2023. I received this first shipment on Sunday. I'm holding the address away from you guys. On Sunday, 19 November 2023. And then I received the second shipment today, a little bit before filming this, Wednesday, 22 November 2023. So I'm going to start by tearing my name, or taking my name off of these, so you guys don't have that information. While some of you have street searched this house and the locations I go and stuff to figure out where I live, I have not actually provided my address on this YouTube channel. So that is your own work, not information I provide. I do try to protect myself in that way. Don't worry, I'm not going to prosecute you just on that for being a stalker or something. Yeah. Alright, okay. Wait. Alright, so this is the shipment that arrived on Sunday, 19 November 2023. Let's do top of the pack first. So this is assorted toffees, handmade in Scotland to a traditional Scottish recipe. And these are Gardeners of Scotland, Scottish confectionery. This is toffee. I went to Scotland in July 2019, and one of my favorite treats on that trip was butter toffee. And butter toffee is very different than American toffee. So I'm gonna do a sweet eats of this and see if per my palate. So there's like butter crunch toffee, there's butter toffee, which are all different things. So I'm gonna see if if it's more of a butter toffee or more of like an American toffee. But it's Scottish, and I am Scottish by ancestral origins in part of my family. My two biggest ethnicities per our documentation and stuff that I have access to so far, Germanic and Norse by ancestral origins. Not like there's a bunch of Norwegians who like their family moved to Norway and then they moved out of Norway and they call themselves Norwegians, but they're not Norse, like native peoples kind of in before. I'm the native peoples in before, which means my ancestors left a long time ago, versus like people who, you know, their parents immigrated to America and before that they lived in Norway for like 5 generations, but before that their family lived somewhere else, kind of thing, which is pretty common for Norway. All right, so future sweet eats, and this is what the tin looks like. It's beautiful. And then the second item is another sweet eats item. I got cinnamon toast crunch soft bake oat bars. So it's a box. There's 6 servings per container. 1 bar is 110 calories. So this might be like eat the whole box in one go. We'll see. Possibly on a weekend day. It's like my big snack calories. But yeah, so that's the second thing. Oh, that's the first. So that's the first package. I'm like, okay, I'm done. Yeah, I'm just gonna hold my address away from the camera for the second package. So the second package. Oh, and then the part of it not covered by the gift cards, that I actually paid with funds from my retirement account. So this is partially funded by my retirement, the funds I withdrew from my retirement account. And so these are what are called long johns, long underwear. This is what I'm going to, I got a size small. I did get men's. I have narrow hips. Oh, it looks like it. We'll see if it fits. And the purpose here is it holds the heat in. And since it's getting, you know, to the daily highs of, and I've been doing that, running in the, you know, when the daily high is 45 degrees Fahrenheit. if it gets down to 43, 34, keeps getting colder, even if it doesn't, put these on under my shorts to keep my legs warm. So something for me to try out in my running training, since I am continuing to run outdoors. But yeah, so a couple of Sweet Eats items and a running item. Link to, I guess I should link to my Sweet Eats playlist. I'll do 2 of my previous Amazon unboxing videos from this month, November 2023. So again, today is Wednesday, 22 November 2023, and I have one from Sunday, 5 November 2023, one from Tuesday, 7 November 2023, this one, and then I'll link to my running playlist, Sweet Eats if I remember to, and then navigating my retirement account. But yeah, happy Amazon unboxing. I'm Tanis Coralee Leonhardi, and this is my YouTube channel, Tanis Leonhardi. Happy day and time of viewing whenever you're viewing this, and happy place of viewing this from wherever you're viewing this from.